and now it's done. Hi guys, I have this spool of extension wire which had a broken back, so there's no way I can roll up this wire, the spool, into the, I don't know, spool. Okay, so I think I'm trying to move this socket to this PLA filament full spool. Okay, I've removed the wire. First and second screw goes in here and here. I think it's quite approximate, but I need to cut some of the section here to fit this part. Okay, now this both section is out of the way. Now I can screw this in, but before that I must drill a hole so the wire can pass through here. Okay, I've drilled a hole here, the side of the spool, so the wire can pass through, and then we begin the assembly. And now it's done.